So and those are what? What are all those?
These guys?
Yeah. What do you?
Animals, I did guess.
They're just furry animals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they good too.
Yeah.
And bears.
So what are you gonna do with all those bears or teddies and whatever you got there, those furry animals?
I'm gonna make a big bed all over the house.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only animals.
Just animals?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's all I have.
That's all you have?
Wait, no.
No.
I have a dragon and that fish.
Yeah, you got the fish and the Komodo dragon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I have more of that too.
Yeah, but you probably shouldn't take them all out because we put them all away nice and neat, eh?
Yeah.
And we're gonna keep the place all clean because mom doesn't have to clean it when she comes home.
Mom did after Micah comes here, and after us make a big mess in my bedroom. I did him. Just have to clean up, and he didn't.
He didn't,
No.
but you didn't either, did you?
Yes, I did.
When?
I only cleaned up a little bit.
Yeah. So next time you have to make sure that before he goes home that you guys both clean. Okay? That way you don't have to clean all the mess up. Right? Looks good now though, you never know you're even here. Right?